Please be as silent as possible so everyone can read with their full attention.
You know what most people underestimate? Silence. In improv, some of the most powerful scenes happen without a single word. Just silence.
Wait, we're starting with silence? I thought I was supposed to explain things.
Exactly. And that's the point. Silence makes us lean in, notice more, and connect deeper. On stage and in everyday life. All right, Jeff 2.0, take it from here.
Here's the exercise. 2 players perform a full scene, 2 or 3 minutes, without words. They communicate only through gestures, eye contact, and timing. It feels awkward at first, but soon the audience is hooked because every movement matters. Another version? Start a longer scene in silence, then slowly let words come in. When dialogue finally arrives, it lands with extra weight. This trains you to slow down, observe, and let meaning build in the pauses.
In everyday life, silence works the same way. Instead of rushing to answer, pause for just 2 seconds before responding. You notice more, and others will feel more heard. So silence isn't empty, it's one of improv's greatest teachers. I'm Jeff McNabb, and this is Unscripted Genius. Remember, sometimes the smartest move is the quiet one.